is not enough to have the dogs and stack move along the z-axis without ever stopping, because this will later pose a big challenge in the aspect of optimization. Hence, we have to find a way to destroy the game objects as soon as they go beyond the bounding box. So now we're going to create a script and call the script destroy out of bounds, and then we're going to select the stack along with the 6 dogs and apply and add the script to all these game objects. So I'm going to double click. Now that we have it open up in Visual Studio, we're going to write an if then statement. So right inside the condition, we're going to define the condition transform.position, since our emphasis is on the position. So let's look at it in Unity, so we'll actually understand what we're actually doing. Okay, so this is going to go on. So let me select this dog, and then let me drag it this way on the z-axis. Okay, so you can see that this is actually going on the negative direction. So the moment it gets to, let's just do a whole number. So the moment it gets to 10, let's destroy all the dog game objects. So the moment this go past 10 as well, it will also get destroyed. So the moment we actually spawn the stack and it goes beyond a certain the bounding box, the predefined bounding box, it should also get destroyed. So for this stack, we're going to use 20. So now we're going to go back to the script and define all that. For the stack, since it's going on the positive direction on the z-axis, we're going to say 20. So transform.position. Remember to add the z-axis, so that z greater than 20. We're going to say let the game objects be destroyed. So, and then we're going to write else if. So let's edit our line of code. I'm going to come right here under advanced, and then I'm going to select format documents. Okay, so within this condition, we're going to write transform.position.z. Okay, so I'm sure you guessed right. So let's use less than minus 10. Okay, the moment it goes beyond minus 10, the dog should get destroyed. Okay, so this will help optimize our game. All right, so now that we have that, we're going to hit Control S. Now we're going to go back. So having applied this to the dog, we're going to go to override and then select apply all. Let's highlight all of this, go to override, and then we're going to apply all. So the stack as well, go to override, and remember we just added the script, so we're going to add apply all to it. So now we're going to press play. So let's see our script in action. Okay, so you can see the dogs are getting destroyed. So once they go beyond that particular position that we have defined, they all get destroyed. Okay, so the stack we can actually spawn, because we are actually using, we can spawn this because we added the stack from the hierarchy. So let me show you what we did. So this is it here. We actually dragged the stack from here and we added it in the hierarchy. So the moment this stack goes beyond the bounding box, it gets destroyed. So there's no way we can instantiate it. So that is the error that has been thrown. They said the object of type game object has been destroyed, but you are still trying to access it. So to resolve that, so we could actually spawn the stack even after this one gets destroyed is simple. All we need to do, we're going to rather create a folder, and this folder we're going to call it prefabs. Good. So we're going to drag all of this as well as the stack into this prefab. So let's say original prefabs. Good. So now we have all the prefabs. So I'm going to include this instead of the one that is currently on the hierarchy, so it will never get destroyed. So I'm going to replace the one that we dragged from hierarchy to this place. So we're going to replace it with this. So I'll simply drag this and drop it right here. Okay, so now we have actually resolved that issue. So let's hit play this time around and let's see that we could actually spawn. So you can actually see that now we can spawn our stack. Okay, so you can see it get destroyed. The moment the stack goes beyond the bounding box, is getting destroyed. Our dogs have already been destroyed already. So that is all I have for you on this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.